Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you think you already know everything about your iPhone, trust me, you don't. Because today I'm revealing 10 hidden iPhone features that even in 2025, most people still have no clue about. These are the kind of features that make you go, wait, my iPhone can do that. So make sure you watch till the end, because the last two are absolute game changers. Let's jump right in. Feature number one, the back tap trick. All right, let's start with one of my personal favorites, the back tap feature. Did you know you can double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to trigger shortcuts like taking screenshots, opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, or even launching apps? Just go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap, and choose what each tap does. Once you set it up, you'll never have to fumble for buttons again. It feels like a hidden button Apple never told anyone about. Simple, fast genius. Feature number two, hidden trackpad on the keyboard. Now here's something that'll make texting a lot easier. Ever try to move your typing cursor in the exact spot and it's so annoying? Here's the fix. Just hold down the space bar on your keyboard. Boom! The keyboard instantly turns into a trackpad. You can move your cursor anywhere with precision, just like using a mouse. It's so smooth and useful, most people can't believe it's been there for years. Feature number three, sound recognition. This one is not just cool, it's powerful. Your iPhone can now recognize specific sounds in your environment, like a doorbell ringing, a baby crying, or a fire alarm. If it detects those sounds, it'll send you a notification immediately. Go to Settings of Accessibility, Sound Recognition, and turn it on. This feature is a real lifesaver, especially for people who might not always hear certain sounds. Smart, caring, and classic Apple. Feature number four, built-in document scanner. Okay, you'll love this one. Forget downloading scanning apps. Your iPhone already has a hidden scanner inside the Notes app. Just open Notes, tap the camera icon, and choose Scan Documents. It automatically detects the paper, flattens the image, and saves it as a clean, high-quality PDF, perfect for receipts, homework, or business files. All done in seconds. Feature number five, measure anything with AR. The Measure app on your iPhone is basically a digital ruler on steroids. You can measure objects, furniture, or even someone's height just by pointing your camera at them. And in 2025, it's even more accurate thanks to Apple's LiDAR tech. Just open the Measure app, point your iPhone, and let it do the magic. You'll be surprised how useful this is when you don't have a tape measure around. Feature number six, hide and lock private photos. Got private photos? Apple's got your back. Move them to the hidden album inside Photos. And now in 2025, you can even lock that album with Face ID or Touch ID. Go to Photos, Hidden Album, and enable Use Face ID. Now, even if someone's using your phone, your private moments stay private. Simple, clean, and 100% secure. Feature number seven, Name Drop. This is Apple's coolest new trick, Name Drop. Forget typing phone numbers or scanning QR codes. Now, when two iPhones come close to each other, they can automatically share contact info with just a tap. It's like AirDrop, but for people. Safe, fast, and futuristic. Seriously, once you try Name Drop, you'll never want to go back. Feature number eight, copy text from videos. This is one of the newest and most underrated features. Now you can pause a video and copy any text that appears on the screen. Let's say a YouTube video shows a phone number or a quote. Just pause it, tap and hold the text, and copy it directly. No need to screenshot or type it out manually. It's like your iPhone's finally smart enough to read your videos for you. Feature number nine, Focus Mode Upgrade. Focus Mode got a serious glow up in iOS 18. You can now create custom focus profiles like work, sleep, or study, and choose exactly which notifications or apps are allowed. It even syncs with your Apple Watch and Mac. So if you're working, no random pings, no distractions, just pure focus. Perfect for students, creators, or anyone tired of constant notifications. Feature number 10, fully customizable lock screen. Let's be honest, the lock screen was boring for years, But now, in iOS 26 and beyond, you can change everything. The font, color, widgets, wallpaper, and even live animations. You can add the weather, battery percentage, or even real-time activity rings. Your iPhone lock screen becomes your personality, clean or colorful, your choice. Finally, Apple gives us freedom, and that's it. 10 hidden iPhone features that most people don't know about, even in 2025. How many of these did you already know? Tell me in the comments below. If you learned something new, hit that like button, share this video with your iPhone friends, and don't forget to subscribe.